Hi all! Today we are starting a new video series to highlight recently announced features in Forge. Let's get started! This month we released many improvements to the developer console. The first one is that in the installations page you can now see the date when the app was first installed in each environment. That's the installed field right here. Directly from the installation page, you can also now view the logs associated with a particular installation of your app using this option here. This is handy for faster access and troubleshooting. If your app is installed on multiple sites, you can also select more than one when searching for logs. And there is much more to add about the improved app logs view in the developer console. You can now search for app logs using Trace ID, Invocation ID, modules, and log messages. Here is an example, searching for a Trace ID. And here is our corresponding Trace ID. When downloading app logs, you can now find the Trace ID values in both the CSV and the log formats. The Forge for Bitbucket team has been busy extending the functionality of the list users in a workspace API. The API now supports filtering the response by user's email address, and this can be used to retrieve account IDs from the list of email addresses. The filtering is done using the user.email query parameter and adding one or many email addresses as search term. This is important because the account ID is how you would call any Bitbucket API that requires an identifier, for example, assigning a PR. In Bitbucket, a new event is available. This event, called pull request reviewer status, is sent when a reviewer status, for example, approved or changes requested, is updated. This product event is also fired when the reviewer status is cleared because the source branch of the pull request changed. This last update might be more relevant if you are a marketplace partner and need to test your apps with different license states. The Forge CLI now has an additional option, the license one that is highlighted here, which can be used when installing apps in a non-production environment and enables you to check the app behavior when the license is active, inactive, or a trial. We regularly host online events to go into more details of the Forge features. You can sign up for those with the link in the description. We call them Forge DevDan. And the next one is about how to create robo agents with Forge. Check the links in the description for all what we went through today and let us know if you would like a deep dive in any of these topics. See ya!